Sa katatapos lamang na campaign ng Gilas Pilipinas this FIBA Asia Cup, our national team ranked 7th among the 16 participating teams. Even though it is considered as an upgrade, sa 8th place finish natin last FIBA Asia with Coach Chot, fans are still disappointed, especially with our performance against Chinese Taipei and powerhouses like New Zealand and the Australian Boomers. With the campaign of Gilas for FIBA Asia Cup qualifiers set to start this November, are we seeing possible roster changes for Gilas? If changes will happen, anong klase ng player ang kailangan ng Gilas Pilipinas to upgrade its roster? Gilas Pilipinas is a loaded team in terms of local talents from top to bottom. However, in the recent games, napapansin ng mga fans ang kakulangan natin ng isang point guard that is deadly in the 3-point area and can punish big man in the 3-point line. In a recent outing in the FIBA Asia Cup, kapansin-pansin na hindi natin napapunish ang mga big man ng kalaban if they are dropping to the paint in their pick and roll coverage. With centers like Gilbeck of Taipei, hindi natin nadadala si Gilbeck sa kanyang uncomfortable spot, which is guarding in the 3-point line, dahil wala tayong point guard that is deadly off the screen. Instead, we are driving the ball towards Gilbeck in the paint na nagresulta ng block or altered shot para sa ating mga point guards. With a possible addition of a PG that can come off the screen and hit 3-point shot, it adds another dimension sa well-established na triangle offense ni Coach Tim Cone. And also, it can make the team more dynamic and unpredictable and can also lessen the scoring burden of Justin Brownlee. Only time can tell if the coaching staff will try to listen sa clamor ng mga fans. But one thing is for sure, with the addition of a reliable player who can make plays behind the 3-point line, Gilas Pilipinas will become a formidable force in the upcoming FIBA World Cup qualifiers. Ikaw ka basketball, sino gusto mong mapasama sa ating Gilas Final 12 lineup this FIBA Asia qualifiers? I-komento mo na lang yan sa ibaba. And don't forget to like and subscribe para updated ka sa ating mga latest videos. Bye-bye!